Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. This is the LG dual screen for the LG V50 Thinq. I'm going to go through absolutely everything to do with this. Settings, options, what it's like, pros, cons. Let's go check this out. So the phone comes in the case. It's in this sort of cushioned protective part there, and like so. So what you have here, you have this is the OLED screen. You'll notice here, see my finger, that it's got a cutout. So when the phone's in, the speaker from the V50, which is down here, goes right through. Obviously a hole here. These are the pogo pins for power. That's all it does is power, and the back. And then you have your buttons, which are simply, if you can see, they get pushed through there, and you've got a hole for the cutout. So simply, if we just drop this in a second. So now it is in, and what you will notice, the first thing is there's this little thing here which appears. So if I press turn on touchscreen, hang on a second, and you'll see that it's come to light, and that's that. When this is on, you'll notice that you have some other options here. You have some of the settings for the dual screen, so you can move what's on one screen to the other. So let me just show you that now. So if you have the calculator, if you use 3 fingers and just slide, the calculator now appears on this screen. And again, if you slide back, it does go back to the other side. So that's that side. Options to use the dual screen. When the dual screen is on, there is actually a dual screen icon that appears in the drop down as well to turn it on and off. You can change the wallpaper, app drawer icon. So if you don't have that, let me go back, you don't get the App Store app icon showing. If you just want to swipe up, you can bring up the apps that way. So you do have the options to have the app icon. Things gone. Let's put that back again and set an app to open whenever you turn on the dual screen. And then you have brightness. You can control the brightness as well. One thing you have to have is you can't run that at Quad HD and this at 1080p. You have to have the main screen at 1080p. So there's some of the options. What can you do? So don't forget, you now have, when it's on, you can actually have the more options here from that little dual screen quick shortcut. Swap screens, show main on dual screen, put main screen to sleep, turn off dual screen. So you do have plenty of options. But let's just try something. So if we tap on here and if we tap here, so you've got the photos there, and then you can have here, you could open that as well and switch it across. So if you want to push that back again, put it there. Then you can open music. So again, you can alternate very quickly, what you want to do between the two. If you're using the camera, if you put that in there like so, and take a picture, it instantly appears on here. Use. If you come out of that, and also use this as a gamepad. So I'll show you here. You've got the gaming channel, game tools. But if you say launch the gamepad, and then what you now have, you have a really good gamepad system. But you can actually switch between the different types. So you've got like so, like so. Now, what I have found is not all games work. Try bringing this a bit closer to show you. These are the games that I've installed, and I'm working my way through them. Fortnite works very well with the controller. PUBG Mobile doesn't. I can't seem to get that to work at all. And I've had hit and miss options. Some of these work, some of them don't. Some of these are older games as well. So it is intermittent as to what works and what doesn't work. but it's still quite a nice touch, and it's pretty fast as well. It's pretty fluid when you're playing that as well. So that's another option. Let's close that. But what you can also do, if I put YouTube up here, for example, so what you can do also, you can have split screen on the main one, and you can have something playing here. Now, what you'll also notice is that when you bend this right round, it's quite tricky to get to the volumes and everything, but you still can. So let's make sure the volume is on 0. So let's just play a video. Quite good. What I should do actually, let's have a look at the quality of the videos. Let's look at one of mine so I don't get copyright striked. Let's put my videos here. So I'll show you like so. So here you go, and you can do pinch to zoom, no problem at all. Do that again, show you, no problem whatsoever at all. So there we have it. That is it. It closes like so. The cameras are on the back, and you can see when you've got notifications, the 5G logo flashes. This is over 300 grams, so this is quite heavy as a combination, but it's pretty neat. It really is pretty neat, and you've got plenty of options to have it off. So here you can say turn off. You can put main screen to sleep and just have that on, or turn off dual screen, and it turns off. It's that simple. And then you've got your controller here. Turn on dual screen. There we go. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Any questions, let me know. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.